What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Nuls, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just above 30 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is this crypto all about, why is it pumping. As you guys can see, most of it was from earlier this morning and later on this afternoon as well, and it is still ongoing. So is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Or if you've already invested into it and are on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at how high and how low can this crypto go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Nuls, which is here in purple at 23 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 30 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, as you guys can see, there is quite a huge difference between the purple value and the red value here, meaning it may be overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking too good. We got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting as well. So hitting more red candles, dropping down to around 27 cents in value is what I'm expecting it to drop down to. Again, reason for that is it has gone through quite a huge pump in value over the last 24 hours. So it is due for a little bit of a dip over the coming hours. So do expect more red candlesticks. However, doesn't mean it's going to start crashing right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher, 31-32 cents over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value to around 27 cents by midday tomorrow, is what my expectations are. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And it is looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, Nuls is expected to once again go for an overall drop in value. So essentially going for a price correction is what I'm expecting, dropping down to around 23 to 24 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Nuls to be trading at towards the end of this week and early next week as well. But that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red candles over the next 7 to 8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit the odd green day in between, but unfortunately guys, the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side. Yes, I know the crypto market is on the green side. Well, right now it is red, but overall for the week and last week it is on the green, with Bitcoin heading over $50,000 earlier this morning and last night as well. So yes, it is up, and it is pumping moment, shall I say, for the crypto market. But if you guys are in my Telegram group chat, I did mention that I'm expecting the crypto market to go for a little bit of a price correction. If you guys want to get involved in the Telegram group chat, link is again in the description box down below. So heading onto the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, the blue line is looking quite steep, and so is the orange line as well, meaning this is not realistic. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, by mid to late April 2024, I'm expecting Nuls to have gone for an overall increase in value, heading over 40 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be heading up to by April time. Again, yes, the Bitcoin halving is coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market overall, which I will give you guys more information on as I get more data and analysis. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But at the moment, yes, I'm expecting Nuls to go for a price correction over the coming week or two and then slowly start to gain value, heading over 40 cents in value in April is what I'm expecting. Now, bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we have officially broken out from the red zone into the green zone, but the only issue is there was no resistance. It literally just broke out without resisting at all, meaning it is overvalued and it's not sustainable right now. So more or less it is going to have to drop back down into the red zone over the coming hours and days as well, go for a price correction and then slowly start to gain value, resist a little bit at the resistance level here, and then pump back into the green zone is what I'm expecting. A clear example of what resisting is what happened last time in late December and early January. As you guys can see, it did try to break out into the green zone. It did resist here for about a week or two and then literally dropped back down into the red zone, and this time there was no resistance. It's literally just broken out. So that's what I mean by it's not sustainable. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,600% up in the last 24 hours, making it $41 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Binance. As you guys can see, the third top gainer, so it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning more and more people are trading the crypto. And for those of you guys asking, can Nuls hit the dollar mark? Potentially towards the very end of this year or early next year is when I'm expecting the crypto to be hitting the dollar mark if everything goes to plan. However, if there's such as a major crash or a major bull run, then of course it will get affected, and I will keep you guys updated as well. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting Nuls to hit the dollar mark, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.